Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make famous TikTok and Likee effect like this on Filmora9. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline. Now take a snapshot where you want this effect. Make sure remember your time where you take snapshot. I take this snapshot of this video at 3 seconds. Now delete this video and add snapshot into timeline. Now go to effect and search willow effect and drag it into timeline. Now go to titles and add default title into timeline. Double click on this and go advanced. Now delete text and add a square shape. Delete square middle text. Change shape color to green. Now adjust shape like this. Now go to animation and select right roll animation and click OK. Let's check preview. Okay, let's export this. After export, import this file. Delete all from the timeline. Now drag main video into timeline. And split your footage where you take snapshot. Now drag new video in same position in upper timeline. Split main video again last part of new video. Now double click on new video and go properties. Activate the chroma key features and change chroma color to green. Now go to effects and search square blur and drag it into main video. And search water and also drag it in main video. Now double click on this and go video effects. Set square blur size 1 and alpha 50 and set water emboss to 0.10 and step 2 and alpha 40 and click OK. Now go to transition and add flash transition in every cut of video. Adjust transition like this. Now add background music for your video. Render frame for smooth playback and check preview. Okay, let's export our final project. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.